What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got another unboxing to go over, some brand new 2024 diecast we're going to get into. I think we've got 5 in this box that we'll get into right here, right now. Let's pull them out. First up, coming right out the box, Daniel Suarez in the number 99 Kubota Day of the Dead 2024 Camaro diecast body and chassis version. It's pretty good looking, of course. Orange, love the orange. So that is the first one up. Let's see what we got next. We've got Tyler Reddick's 45 2024 Jordan brand for $23.11. The Air Jordan number 45. Looking good. Looking similar to Kurt Busch and, of course, last year's scheme. But the Jordan brand cars don't miss, so no shock, it looks good. Next up, we have the Kyle Larson Darlington Throwback number 5, HendrickCars.com. Of course, one of the best all year. No different here. All those Hendrick guys came to play this year. All the guys, all the employees at Hendrick, whoever picked all those. Gorgeous. Moving right on. We've got Kyle Busch in the FICO number 8 for 2024 and RCR. And then we've got one more in the box, and it just so happens that it's the coolest one in the box, because it is Chase Elliott's Darlington Throwback for 2024. Throwback to Dale Jr. in the Universe number 9 for Hendrick Motorsports and their 40th year anniversary, of course. So I'm going to pop these puppies out, and we'll take a look at them once again, one by one, right about now. All right, so first up is this gorgeous number 9, the Universe number 9 throwback to the 2014 Daytona 500 champ, Dale Earnhardt Jr. Bias included. This is the coolest throwback of the year. But then again, all 4 Hendrick guys are 1 through 4 in that category this year. So this one's just top of the list for me. But you know what second best is? Not this either, actually. It's William Byron. But third best is this HendrickCars.com number 5 Terry Labonte throwback for Kyle Larson. No complaints out of me. This is easily one of the best schemes of the year. One of the best Kyle Larson schemes since coming over to the 5. Might be his best since coming to the 5. Then, of course, Kyle Busch, FICO number 8. Saw this one in person at the Bristol Spring Race. It was backwards about 15 times, but I saw it. So another good one. Then, of course, we've got the 99 Kubota for Daniel Suarez. Day of the Dead. Gorgeous. Fits well with all the other Kubotas that we're going to get this year, including Ross Chastain's, which is already out and in my collection. Then the last one out of the box is the 45 for Tyler Reddick. Of course, they're just now pumping out the Camrys and the Fords, but here they all come. So, a gorgeous one here. So there's that. There's Suarez. The 8. the 5, and the 9. So a brand new unboxing. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more. Thanks for checking it out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.